Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to reset a Newentor Wetterstation to fix sensor or time issues. Sometimes, after changing the batteries or for other reasons, it can happen that the temperature on the sensor and the main unit does not match. So I will show you 2 ways to fix this and make sure your Wetterstation works correctly. So let's get started. Let's start with the first method, which works on almost all models. First, remove the batteries from both the main unit and the outdoor sensor. After removing the batteries, wait for a few minutes. During this waiting time, press any button on both devices 20 to 30 times. This helps to fully drain any remaining power. After a few minutes, insert the batteries back into both devices. Now the Wetterstation will restart and reconnect to the sensor. This usually takes a few seconds to sync again. You may notice that the time and time zone are not correct at the beginning. Don't worry, this is normal. Just wait a few minutes, sometimes up to 15 minutes, and it will sync automatically. Now let's move to the second method. Some Newentor Wetterstations come with a reset button. Usually, it is inside a small hole or gap on the device. To reset it, take a small object like a pin or paperclip. Then gently press the button inside the hole. On most models, just pressing it once will reset the device and you may hear a beep. If it doesn't reset with a single press, press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. After that, the device will reset and restart. Again, the temperature should sync correctly, and for the time and time zone, you just need to wait a few minutes. And that's it. These are 2 easy ways to reset your Newentor Wetterstation and fix common issues like sensor connection or incorrect time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials.